Today's problem is Leetcode 345 reverse vowels of a string, and it says that given a string as, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are this, and they can appear in both lowercase and uppercase more than once. So what it is telling us is that find the vowels and reverse it. So in this input you can see that the vowels here are E and O, and we need to interchange it, reverse it. Here E and O, so we are changing it. So this is the problem, and the solution for this, I have already done that. So first thing we are going to do is we are given a string, so we are going to convert it to an array. Convert this string to an array of characters. So we are going to convert this string to an array. So it is going to give us a value from 0 to 4 indices 0 to 4. And the next thing we are going to do is define two pointers to swap vowels. So we are going to start at some point, right? So we are not going to start looking from 1 2 3 4 like that. That is time consuming. So we are going to start looking from the first end and from the second end, the left side and the right side. We are going to look for, so we are going to start from the left side and right side as well, and we are going to check each and every one of them. The code for that is define two pointers to swap vowels. We are taking two variables. Left is going to be 0 and right is going to be as dot length minus 1, because if you look at, if I console dot log s dot length and coca.js, here you can see that it is 5, because in the string that you are given there are 5, 1 2 3 4 5, but as our index is going to start from 0, so we are going to uh, subtract 1 from 5, the length. So as dot length minus 1. The next step we are going to do is define a helper function to check if a character is a vowel. So the next thing we are going to create a function. That function has only one job, and its job is to see whether a vowel, whether what the input is a vowel or not. If it is vowel, then it is going to give us true, and if it is false, then if it is not vowel, then it is going to give us false. So this is it. This is the code. This is the function. Now the next step is swap vowels between left and right pointers. Now we are going to play a while loop. So this is the code. Let me explain here. We are going to play a while loop, and the loop is going to play as long as the left is less than right. So right now our left is 0 and right is 4, so it is going to play. Now we have three conditions. If is vowel, array left. So array left is what? Array left right now is 0. Array left, and we are calling the function is vowel. Here we are calling the function is vowel. We are sending the value of array left. We are sending h to is vowel function to check whether it is true or false. So it is going to give us false, so it's not going to happen. It is going to go to the next one. But if these two, let's just say if array 1 and array 4, we are taking array 1 and array 4, and when we are getting that it is vowel, it is true, and also the right one is also true, then it is going to swap the vowels. And how it is going to do that? It is going to take an array and then it is going to swap it like this. And after swapping it, the left is going to increase by 1 and the right is going to decrease by 1. Because we have already checked 0, 4, then there is no reason for us to stay there. We are going to move from 0 to 1 and 4 to 3. and then we are going to check it. Now, if this condition is not met, else if vowel, if I find that the array left here meets the condition but the array right does not, in that case we need to make sure that our right array is decreased by 1, because if that does not match, there is no reason for us to have it. And if the array left right, if the other conditions does not match, then we are going to increase the left by 1, because we have already decreased the right. Now only thing left is to decrease the left by 1. Now when you do that, after doing all of that, it is going to convert it, and then we are going to join it to a string array. Let's look at this code here. Return array join. Now if I take an input hello, it is going to give us hola. Now if I take an input Leetcode, let's see what it gives us. EOTCED, let's see. Oh, I did not take L. So this is the solution of the problem Leetcode 345.